Welcome back, beautiful people. English Listen Easy is here to help you understand faster.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Emma, you're eating something. What is that?
Sorry, I grabbed a sandwich before we started.
Did you finish it?
Almost. Just one more bite.
Take your time.
Okay, done. Sorry about that, listeners.
No worries. Actually, this is perfect because today we're talking about everyday English words you must know.
Oh, and I just used one. Grabbed.
Exactly. Grabbed is such a common word, but a lot of learners don't know it.
Really? I use it all the time.
Me too, but I didn't learn it in school. I picked it up from listening to people talk.
Same here. School taught me words like magnificent and extraordinary.
But not words like stuff or thing?
Right. I knew how to say beautiful, but I couldn't say I'm full after eating.
That's so backwards.
I know, and that's exactly what we want to talk about today. The words you actually use every day.
Not the fancy words you use once a year.
Exactly. The simple, common words that come up in every conversation.
And listeners, these are the words that will make you sound natural.
Not like a textbook.
Right, because native speakers use simple words most of the time.
They really do. Like, instead of saying I'm fatigued, they say I'm tired.
Or instead of purchase, they say buy.
See? Simple is better.
Always. All right, before we dive in, quick reminder. Subscribe so you don't miss our next episodes. We'd love to have you back.
Okay, so Jack, where should we start?
Let's start with words for talking about food because everyone eats every day.
Good idea. So, what words do people need?
Well, you need hungry and full. Those are essential.
Yeah, I'm hungry, I'm full. Super basic, but super useful.
Then you need words like eat, drink, cook, and order.
What about taste? Like, this tastes good.
Yes, taste is important. And delicious, yummy, gross.
Gross?
Yeah, if you don't like something, you can say it's gross.
I thought gross was rude.
Not really. It's casual. Kids say it all the time.
Oh, okay. So it's normal, everyday English.
Exactly. And that's the point. These words aren't formal, but they're what people really use.
Okay, what about when you're eating with friends? What words do you need?
You need grab, like you said earlier. Can you grab me a napkin?
Or, I'll grab the check.
Perfect. And you need pass. Can you pass me the salt?
Oh yeah, pass is so common.
Super common. And share. Do you want to share this pizza?
I love that one. Sharing food is the best.
Agreed. Okay, so that's food words. What's next?
How about words for daily activities?
Okay, like wake up, get ready.
Yeah, I woke up at 7. I got up right away. I got ready for work.
Those are essential. You use them every single day.
What about shower or brush your teeth?
Yes, those are important. I took a shower. I brushed my teeth.
And get dressed. I got dressed and left the house.
Perfect. See, these are the words that make up your daily routine.
But Jack, a lot of textbooks don't teach these phrases.
I know. They teach weird stuff like the capital of France is Paris.
When will you ever need that in a normal conversation?
Exactly. You need practical, everyday words first.
Like words for feelings: happy, sad, tired, excited, bored.
Yes, those come up constantly.
I'm so tired today. I'm excited for the weekend. I'm bored at work.
All super common sentences.
And you can't have conversations without knowing those words.
No way! Feelings are such a big part of talking to people.
What about words for the weather?
Oh, good one. Hot, cold, warm, cool, sunny, rainy, cloudy.
It's so hot today. It's cold outside. It's raining.
Everyone talks about the weather all the time.
Especially in England.
True. Weather is like the national topic there.
So those words are definitely must-know words.
For sure. Okay, what about everyday objects?
Like phone, keys, wallet, bag.
Exactly. Where's my phone? I lost my keys. I forgot my wallet.
I say those sentences at least once a week.
Same. And you need words like thing and stuff for when you can't recall the exact word.
Oh yeah, can you hand me that thing? I need to grab my stuff.
Thing and stuff are lifesavers.
Why?
Because you can use them for anything. You don't need to know the specific word.
That's true. I use thing when I can't remember the word.
Everyone does, even native speakers.
Really?
Oh yeah, native speakers use thing and stuff all the time.
That makes me feel better. I thought it was lazy.
Not lazy, just natural. English is full of general words like that.
What other general words should people know?
Get is huge. You can use get for so many things.
Like what?
Get home, get tired, get a job, get it, get ready, get angry.
Wow, that's a lot.
Get is probably one of the most useful verbs in English.
I never thought about it that way.
Most people don't, but if you master get, you can say so many things.
Okay, what about go?
Same thing. Go is super versatile. Go home, go out, go shopping, go crazy.
Go crazy?
Yeah, like I'm going crazy trying to finish this project.
Oh, I like that.
See? These simple verbs can do so much.
So, learners should focus on mastering common verbs first.
Absolutely. Get, go, have, make, do, take.
Those 6 verbs probably cover 50% of conversations.
At least, maybe more.
That's amazing. So instead of learning 100 rare verbs, just master these 6.
Exactly. Quality over quantity.
I wish someone had told me that when I started learning.
Same. I wasted so much time learning useless words.
Like what?
Like rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros?
Yeah, I learned it in school and I've never used it once in real life.
When would you even need that word?
Exactly. Unless you work at a zoo, you don't need it.
But you do need words like right now, later, soon.
Yes, time words are essential.
I'll do it right now. I'll call you later. See you soon.
Everyone uses those every day.
What about anyway? I hear that word all the time.
Oh, anyway is huge. It's a great word for changing topics or continuing after a pause.
Like, anyway, what were we talking about?
Perfect example. Or, I was late, but anyway, I made it to the meeting.
So it's like a little bridge in conversation.
Exactly, and native speakers use it constantly.
I should use it more often.
You should. It makes you sound more natural.
Okay, what about words for asking questions?
Great topic. You need what, where, when, why, how.
The question words.
Yeah, but you also need phrases like, what do you mean? And what's up?
Oh, what's up is so common.
Super common. It's like a casual hello.
What's up? Not much. How about you?
Perfect everyday exchange.
And it's way more common than how do you do?
Nobody says, "How do you do?" anymore.
But textbooks still teach it.
I know, it's so outdated.
That's why we need to focus on real, everyday English.
Exactly. The English people actually speak, not the English from old textbooks.
Okay, so let's recap what we've covered. We talked about food words like hungry, full, delicious, grab.
Daily routine words like wake up, get ready, shower, brush your teeth.
Feeling words like happy, sad, tired, excited.
Weather words like hot, cold, sunny, rainy.
Common objects like phone, keys, wallet.
And super useful verbs like get, go, have, make, do, take.
Plus general words like thing and stuff that you can use for anything.
And conversation words like anyway, what's up, right now, later.
That's actually a lot of words.
But they're all words you'll use every single day.
Not once a year, every day.
Exactly, and that's what makes them so important.
So, listeners, if you're just starting out, focus on these words first.
Don't worry about rare vocabulary yet. Build your foundation with common words.
And here's a bonus tip.
What is it?
When you learn a new word, try to use it in 3 different sentences right away.
Oh, that's smart. It helps the word stick.
Exactly. Like if you learn the word grab, make 3 sentences. I grabbed my coat. Can you grab that for me? Let's grab lunch.
I love that. You're practicing the word in different contexts.
Yeah, and it helps you absorb how to use it naturally.
Perfect tip. All right, before we finish, let's remind everyone about our word of the episode.
Right, the word was grab.
It means to take something quickly or to get something casually.
Like, I grabbed a coffee on my way to work, or grab a seat and I'll be right there.
It's super casual and super common.
You'll hear it all the time in everyday conversations.
Exactly. All right, everyone, that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening.
If this episode helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe. We really appreciate your support.
And we have a question for you, listeners. What everyday English word do you use most often?
Or what word do you wish you had learned earlier? Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, we'd love to hear from you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. And remember, common words are more powerful than fancy words.
Always.
Bye.